This Saturday, the spotlight shines on the Jamaica Women's Premier League with a thrilling doubleheader showdown at the JWM Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. First up at 3 p.m, it's a fierce battle as Frazsiers Whip FC, the defending champions, entertains Mile Gully FC.
Well, I feel the chances that we will go all the way. You know, we have 5 girls who are away with the under-17, with the Jamaica under-17 team. And I know when they get back, we will be stronger going forward.
Expect intensity, skill, and a fight for crucial points as both teams look to make their mark. And then at 6 p.m, the excitement continues. Can Arnett Gardens F.C. extend their perfect record when they clash with Cavalier in what promises to be a high-energy showdown under the lights?
Well, as you can see now, we are lead the table, we not take nothing for granted.
Two strong teams, one big statement to make. This is the Jamaica Women's Premier League.